Hello there, my name is Andrew and today I'm going to show you how to cook very simple, delicious and fast breakfast. You can also use it for lunch, or if you are really hungry you can also do it. First you're gonna need oil, some eggs, and of course ham, salami, and if you want you can also use cheese or bacon, but we're not gonna use it today. And in the end game you can also use ketchup or cucumber or some tomatoes and some bread. So first thing, we're gonna put some oil on a pan. You can also put it everywhere, so oil is on all of it. So while the oil is burning on the pan, you're gonna break some eggs. Okay. So we have some eggs here. We're gonna do a little bit of salt. Okay. Now we gotta mix them with salt. Gonna wait a while because it has to burn, also the salami and ham, and then we're gonna add some eggs. We're gonna put the eggs in it. Yeah, put it everywhere. Alright, we did it. Okay. Okay, so now we gotta cover the ham and the salami, so it has to be completely covered with the eggs. So we gotta do it right like this, put it under it. Yeah, so we can't even see it almost. Okay. Good. They are disappearing from my eyes. Okay. Now we gotta wait until the eggs collide with the ham and salami, and then voila, you got omelets or ham and eggs, or whatever you will call it. So while the eggs and ham is getting ready, we gotta wash some tomatoes. Okay. And also cut some cucumber. This size. Okay, you got that, and also kind of like this, smaller parts. In here, fine. Let's check how the eggs are doing. Yeah, it's looking very good. You can see they're also colliding together. You can see they're colliding together with the ham perfectly. It's starting to have some mass to it. Yeah. So it seems to be ready for takeout. Gotta kinda take it out from it. It's pretty big, so we're gonna take it cut in half somehow, like this. For easy takeout. Okay. Nice. Ready to eat. Okay. Now we gotta add the vegetables here. Of course, I like my vegetables little with the salt, so we're gonna salt them a little bit. Also a little bit ketchup. Okay, great. You can also add a bread if you like to it. That's just if you prefer it. And we have an omelette done.